Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are so much welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you are a new subscriber. Don't forget to like and don't forget to share this video. And to my existing subscribers, let me tell you guys, you are the reason as to why I am doing this video. Hey Maze, hey, it has been good. Being or reaching here, it is good. Now, this video is all about motivation for those who are just starting a channel. This video is a motivation to someone who is awaiting monetization. This video is a motivation to someone, to beginners mostly, because most probably, yes, because for those who have been monetized, I don't think this is for you guys. This is mostly for someone who is waiting or who is starting a channel. Like, guys, finally, we are getting monetized. Yo! Let me tell you guys, I'm super excited. And recently I got an email from YouTube, and let me tell you guys. Okay, previously I was so excited about getting monetized. Now, so this one morning I have hit the, how are they called, the requirements. After hitting the requirements, I still wasn't. I was not in a rush to apply, but also I received that email from YouTube asking me to apply. Yes. For monetization. I mean monetization, guys. Yeah. So let me read for you this email, and I'm also going to put it here, here, here. Yeah. So this is the email I got from YouTube. Before I read for you the email, for those who are having a channel, or maybe they don't even know about monetization or how to go about it. So when you start a YouTube channel, you are required to hit 1,000 subscribers, but now it has gone to 500 subscribers. Previously it was 1,000. Apparently it is 500 subscribers. So you hit 500 subscribers, and then 3,000 watch hours. But for you to start earning from YouTube, you have to hit a 4,000. Yeah. So when you reach no, when you reach 3,000 watch hours, you can monetize the channel, but you cannot earn from the channel. Yes, until you hit 4,000 watch hours. Yes. So it's only 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. And to monetize, but to earn, it is still 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, so I have hit 3,000, and I have also surpassed, I have hit 3,000 and I have surpassed 3,000. So I already have even 4,000, meaning if I apply for a monetization right now, and after being approved by YouTube, definitely I can start earning. Yes. So, how do you go about monetization? So, I don't want to make this video long. What I can only say is just hit the 500 and the 3,000, or 500 and the 4,000 watch hours, and definitely you also, when you go to the YouTube studio, there is a way you set a reminder on, can I say a reminder? There is a way you set your account for YouTube to send you a notification once you hit, if you're not so keen with it. But let me tell you guys, definitely for all beginners, we always want to see how far the channel is. So definitely it may not be so important for YouTube to remind you, because every day you're looking at your analytics to see how far your video is, or how far your videos are, or how far you are to reach the target that you are required for monetization. Yes. Now, this is the email I got from YouTube, and here it says, Alice Amy, congrats, you can now apply to a YouTube pattern program. And then here they came down saying, "Hi Alice Amy, your channel's on the rise. I think your channel is on the rise. You can now apply to the YouTube program to start." They've given me the option to start. Yes, but then I'm also going down here. I want to read for you the others before clicking start. So if accepted, you will have the opportunity to earn and grow the community through channel membership, boost a live stream engagement with super chat and super stickers, interact with fans on long form videos, and shorts with super thanks, and sell your own product through YouTube shopping. Yeah, so meaning if I get monetized, I will have access to this. I will have access, that is monetized, meaning being approved by YouTube, that you can now start earning. Yes. Yeah, so guys, I want to also remind you that when you hit 1,000 or when you hit 500 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you're not qualified to start earning. Those are the requirements. So you also have to apply and await for a feedback from YouTube. They can either approve to monetize the channel, or they can choose to demonetize you, depending if you were following the YouTube community program. So if you're not following the YouTube community program, those are some of the things that will let your channel get demonetized. Yes, take note of that. Yes, so yes, like I was saying, when I apply, I will have access to channel membership, I'll have access to super chat, I'll have access to super stickers, I'll have access to super thanks, and I can also sell my own products on YouTube shopping. Yes, so going down here, I have what they call start your application in the YouTube studio. These are like guidelines on how I can be able to apply for monetization. So they have said start your application in the YouTube studio. From the Earn tab in the navigation bar, click apply now to get started. Review and accept the base steps. Set up or link to an AdSense account. Once you have completed these steps, your application will be reviewed. And then they have also still given me the button to start applying, but I'll still go down and read for you. Then they said we are excited for this next step in your YouTube journey. Ooh. For more information, please visit our YouTube Partner Program Help Center for all things YPP. Thanks, the YouTube team. Yeah, so this is the email from YouTube. So the next thing I'll have to do is to apply. Then applying, I'll have to wait for YouTube to review the channel, and then fingers crossed I get monetized. Yeah, so I think I'll do another video of giving you steps on how to apply, since I'll be applying for mine. And then also the other thing I'll give you in another video is I want to talk about is I've forgotten, but I will definitely talk about it. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope it has motivated someone. Let me tell you guys, do not give up. Do not give up. Imagine you can do it. It doesn't like, hey, how can I say, like, it doesn't matter how long it has taken. The most important thing is how have you gotten there. That's the most important thing. So do not give up. And I have more other videos about how to start a YouTube channel. For if you are watching this video and you haven't begun a channel and you want to start a channel, I have videos of how to start a channel. I have some videos about a YouTube, what you need, the niches, like education content about YouTube. So you can also look at those videos. I'm actually going to set them aside such that it will be easy for you to access that playlist. Yeah, so I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I'll see you again in another video. Once again, it's your host, Alice Emmy, and bye bye.